You are so lucky to live in Japan and be able to go to university in this great country. Simply by being born in Japan, and having parents who can afford to send you to university, you are ahead of 99% of the world. Isn't that amazing? Were you born to a poor family, for example in Bangladesh? You probably would never hear this lecture. You would not be going to university. You might not even still be alive due to malnutrition or disease or an accident. You would probably already be working, and would have been working for a number of years to help your family. That would be your life, with few prospects for the future. Your children, if you could afford to have any, would have the same life, so to be able to study English is such a great opportunity, even with amazing translation software coming and AI tools as well. By studying another language it makes you a better, more rounded, more international person. Because you study English, you have a better brain, better cognitive abilities, you have better career opportunities, more cultural awareness, travel advantages, better brain health, social benefits, enhanced communication skills, and it can even help your Japanese. If you continue to improve, so does your confidence in general, so don't waste your time at university. You are luckier than 99% of the world.